Hello everyone, in this particular video we're going to talk about module views in Vryno CRM and how you can customize or choose them based on your requirements. So let's go to the leads module to start with. So the first view that you see inside the leads module is the grid view, or you can call it a card view as well, where all the information is basically available for each and every record in your grid format. The second view that you would have is the list view, where you can see all the details of a particular lead in a list format, whereas last view that you see, which is the newly added view as well, is the Kanban view. If you click on that, now over here you are seeing data based on the pick list that you've chosen for categorizing the data. Now, of course, right now we've chosen leads by status, so therefore it's showing you all the leads that are there in the system based on what is their status, right? So let's suppose, and you can simply change the statuses of these leads by dragging and dropping records from one status to another. So let's suppose I've had a word with Matthew, and I need to move it from a new lead to a contacted lead. All I have to do is just click on Matthew and drag and drop it to the contacted section. That's all you have to do to update the lead status of any of the records. Now, what if I want to segregate my data on, let's say, lead source, right? I don't want to see data based on lead sales, I want to see it on the basis of lead source. All I have to do is click on this drop down, then click on the edit button. This is where it's telling you that you are right now categorizing it on the basis of lead status. Now, you can choose any pick list inside of the module to categorize your data. You can even go by priority if you wish to go by priority. We'll go to that as well, but let's choose lead source for now, and let me rename my Kanban to leads by source. And I quickly save it. There you go. I can now see all my leads based on what their lead source is. So, and in order to see records within a particular lead source, you just need to scroll down like this. And if I've made a mistake about Michelle, let's say she is not from Instagram, and I'm not quite sure about the lead source of this particular lead. To change the lead source, all I need to do is drag and drop it to another section, and I am now added Michelle to the other section of the lead source. Lastly, we have, in case I want to switch it up a little bit more, I want to see all my leads based on priority, and let's call it leads by priority. Let's save it. There you go. Now it's showing me all the leads based on their priority. And let's suppose I realize Matthew is all of a sudden a high priority lead. All I need to do is drag and drop it to the high section. That's it. So this is how you can customize your views for each and every module inside of Vryno CRM. You'll find similar settings for module views in others sections as well, like you have the list view, the grid view, and the Kanban view for contacts as well. Same goes for deals, same goes for organizations. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this video informative. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all the content.